Don't let the blue screen of death get you down. I will show you how to fix this problem step by step. So let's begin. Now click on Advanced Options, then select Troubleshoot, select Advanced Options, and then select Command Prompt. It will open Command Prompt window. Type chkdsk/f/r:" and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Now we need to type this command and simply press enter. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space Windows and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space System32 and we need to execute this command. For that, simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and simply press enter to execute this command. Now execute this command carefully. Type in md space backup and simply hit enter to execute it. Now execute this command. Type copy space *** space backup and simply hit enter. Now type md backup1 and hit enter. Now type copy *** backup1 and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space regback and simply hit enter. Now type dir and then simply hit enter to execute the command. Type copy space *** space .. and hit enter. Then type all and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's move to the next command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now type in bootrec space /fixboot and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command cd space c:/. Now type cd space Windows /System32 /config /regback and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command. Type bcd edit space /export space c:/ bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Then move to the next one. Now type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now type this command md space boot and simply hit enter. Now type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now type attrib space c:/ boot bcd space -h space -r space -s and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command. Type ren space c:/ /boot /bcd space bcd.olg. Then simply hit enter to execute this command. And once done, let's move to the next command. Now type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter. Now type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.